Good morning, students. Today we have started this melting point determination of melting point practical. So let us start the practical of organic chemistry third, that is in your syllabus. So first we have to discuss what is the melting point. So melting point is nothing. Melting point is the temperature at which the solid component or a solid compound melts at a liquid state. So basically this is the melting point definition. What do you mean by melting point? That is, the solid compound is converted to liquid or a liquid converted to a gas state. So this is the melting point. So here we start the practical of melting point. As you see here, this is I already tied this apparatus. What is this? This is a Thales tube. In this Thales tube, I have already filled this paraffin, liquid paraffin oil, so that we can determine the melting point of the given sample. So I have taken the unknown sample as but we already know this is a benzene and it has a melting point of 93 degree Celsius to 95 degree Celsius. So let us start that in this practical we have to use this Thales tube and this capillary tube and liquid paraffin oil and a thermometer. So these four things we have to require in this practical. So first of all, what we have used, that we have to seal this capillary tube. So I have already sealed this capillary tube, that you have seen here. This a bulb is formed in the end of the capillary, or you can also seal both sides of capillary tube. Means आप दोनों साइड से कर सकते हैं कि आप दो फॉर्म में आप कैपिलरी ट्यूब को ऐसे सील कर सकते हैं. एक ये दो कैपिलरी ट्यूब हमको सील मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है. और उसके अलावा हम एक कैपिलरी ट्यूब को भी हम सील कर सकते हैं, जिससे इसमें बल्ब फॉर्म बन गया है. तो फिर उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, द नेक्स्ट, कि इस कैपिलरी ट्यूब में हम अपना सैंपल फिल करेंगे. what we have taken the sample, the benzene compound, okay, and it has a melting point 93 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. So as we are already known melting point, so now first we have to fill the capillary tube into this, fill the sample into the capillary tube. Now about 1 centimeter of sample we have to fill in this capillary tube. Now filling this capillary. Now I have already filled this sample into this capillary tube. So we need to tie this capillary tube into this thermometer. आप देख सकते हैं ये रेड बल्ब दिख रहा है. इस रेड बल्ब के बिल्कुल साइड से आपको कैपिलरी ट्यूब को टाई करना है. टाई आप किसी भी चीज़ से कर सकते हैं, या तो थ्रेड से कर सकते हैं या फिर कोई भी रबर बैंड से कर सकते हैं. Now you can see here, this is, I have already tied this capillary tube with this thermometer, and you have seen the sample is about 1 centimeter. So we have to fill about 1 centimeter of sample. Now we put this thermometer into the filled liquid paraffin oil Thales tube. Now slowly we have to fill this into this Thales tube. Now you have to note that this paraffin oil should not be over or should not enter into this capillary tube. मतलब आपका जो पैराफिन ऑयल इसमें जो भरा हुआ है वो मतलब इतना ना हो कि वो कैपिलरी ट्यूब के ऊपर तक आ जाए, मतलब उसके अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए सैंपल के अंदर. तो आपको ये थोड़ा सा केयरफुली रहना है, ठीक है. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस ये जो थेल्स ट्यूब का ये बनाया है, अब इसको हम हीट देंगे. थेल्स ट्यूब को हीट देंगे. Now we have to heat this Thales tube or heat the sample and observe the sample, that the solid sample is converted into the, when the solid is converted into the liquid form. So we have to start it, the starting point of the melting. So observe it and take out the readings and note your readings that the melting point is started. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो सैंपल जो है वो स्लोली मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो रहा है। एट व्हाट टेम्परेचर? टेम्परेचर जो है, टेम्परेचर जो है अबाउट टू 80 डिग्री। ओके,
हो गया बोलिए।
Now students, you have seen this, the temperature is melting temperature starts from the 80 to 80 degrees Celsius and it ends with the 85, about 85 degrees Celsius. So we have seen the melting point of the unknown sample. So this is the how to determine the melting point by using the test tube. So this is the basic.
So, what is the importance of melting point determination? So, this melting point is also used to identify any substance to get an indication of the purity of the substance. So, the melting point of a solid is the temperature at which the solid exists in equilibrium with its liquid state under an external pressure of 1 atmosphere. So both these melting point range, that is the interval between the beginning of liquefaction and complete the liquefaction, मीन्स जब हम बिगनिंग करते हैं, जब वो लिक्विड होता है, टेम्परेचर जैसे ही लिक्विड होता है सब्सटेंस और कंप्लीट हो जाता है सब्सटेंस, दोनों को रेंज को हम प्लस करते हैं. सो एंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ कंप्लीट लिक्विफेक्शन आर द वैल्यूएबल इंडिकेटर्स ऑफ दिस प्योरिटी. और जैसे ही जो टेम्परेचर है कंप्लीटली जो लिक्विफाई हो रहा है सब्सटेंस का, वही जो है हमारा प्योरिटी बताता है किसी सब्सटेंस का. So a pure crystalline organic compound usually possesses a sharp melting point and it melts completely over the temperature range. So thank you.